And this is the second update on my antennas today. So this is the 2-band EndFed dipole antenna for 80 and 40 meter bands. Maybe you remember how I built this antenna. You can also find the video on my channel. This antenna works normally on 40 meter band in whole band with perfect SWR, but it was not able to work on 80, and therefore I made this coil. Everything is okay. Everything works pretty good when it's dry weather. And when starts raining, the problem begins. And the problem I found is over here. This is this short piece of wire is going to the end, and here I had one problem. This wire has been touching off this rope, and I guess then that when this rope gets wet, and here is the rain and water, the contact with this wire makes the antenna longer. And this is the problem, because the resonance of the antenna is different. Well, therefore I rebuilt this end of the antenna. So I added this clamp, or wherever it is in English, also this eye over here, protection eye, and this is the isolator. So currently I have connected the isolator between the antenna itself and the rope. So now I should no more have the issues with the rain and detuning the antenna. This is the very important thing, guys. So I learned to the future that I never should do the same thing, that I touch the wire antenna with the rope on the end of the antenna. So I'm going to put the antenna back up to the air, and well, I hope that this modification works. Antenna is in the air. As you can see, this is fixed to the fence. And here you can see this isolation, new isolation. So I hopefully will no more have this issue with detuning the antenna while raining or some else. So here's the coil, short piece of wire for 80 meters and 20 meter long antenna wire is going up to the 49-1 Unun. Okay, so thanks for watching. 73.